Hello everyone, here is Engin Mindaugas Destroyer Terzi here. Today I want to ask you guys to share on comment section the questions that you would like to ask to athletes. Just please tell me in a specific way to which athlete, which question you want to ask. And I cannot promise, I don't promise that I will ask every question, but I will check. And the ones that I think is a good idea, I will try to ask those questions to the athletes. Just please on the comment section uh, share your thoughts, and soon they will be arriving to Istanbul, and I will ask them. You all take care, and as you see, Engin Mindaugas Destroyer Terzi. You see that forearm? You see that forearm? Look, it's coming back. But this is only beginning, This is like a little bit, probably 1 month training. And imagine that, after 3, 4 months, Anyways, you all take care.